July 18th, 4:48 p.m. Wind started to pick up just a little bit. Rain is still to the south and some to the north. The main cluster is west of us. See a little breeze, nothing big. I got my friend the ducks here. And I got bread. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Hey, don't be shy. Go ahead. Come here. Come here. Here. There they go. There they go. Oh, look at the babies. Come here. Come here. There you go. Hey, baby. Here's a cute little ducky I got. Hey, don't be shy. Hey, say hi. It's a cute little ducky. All right, baby, I'll put you down. Calm down. Calm down. Hold on. There we go. These are teenage ducks. There we go. As I'm feeding the ducks, waiting for the storm. Okay, the wind's starting to pick up a little bit more. You can see the rain shield right there. It's about 4:52 p.m. Eastern Time, July 18th, 2013. Anyway, as you can see, the tree was calm earlier. It's not calm anymore, and now the wind is really picking up a little bit more now. These ducks are immune to the rain. Anyway, this is part 2 of this thunderstorm video, and we'll wait for the big one to come. Until next time, later.